Hey, baddies and buddies, this is Tonya Lawrence, the blockchain queen, here to give you a quick tutorial on how to get access to the inner circle community quickly. So, first of all, you're going to go to login.tonyalawrence.com, and I'm going to show you here login.tonyalawrence.com. Once you go there, I'm already logged in. But once you go there, you'll see that you put in your email address and password that you use to gain access to the platform. And you will see this back office page. You're going to get a welcome. This is a test account I have. First, when you scroll down, or first, let's say that you can reach all your products up here at the top right-hand side. This is a desktop version. It looks a little different on the app, but you can get access to all your products here. And by all your products, I mean, if you have purchased my courses, you will see all of your courses here. In this test account, it just has the Blockchain Queens Bitcoin Basics course, which I highly recommend everyone get so you understand the basics of crypto, blockchain, security practices, everything that you need to know to feel comfortable about moving forward with crypto. But then you scroll down and it shows you your communities. I have two communities. The first one is the Blockchain Queen Baddies and Buddies. That is a free community for people to just get in, start feeling more comfortable with my approach to crypto, things that they need to know. And the inner circle is the paid community. That's the $7 a month community where you get a ton of value. I go live a minimum of twice a month. As a matter of fact, tonight, December 19th, 2024, I will be going live for a Q&A session. So anyone who's a part of the Blockchain Queens inner circle will be able to get into the crypto Q&A with me tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So once you're here, you click on Open Community and it will open access to the community. On the left-hand side, you see various options here. And right down the middle, you get to go into the different items that you need. This I absolutely love. Like I said, tonight is a live event. First of all, I go live the first and third Tuesday of every month, Tuesdays with Tonya. And when you see an upcoming event, it's really easy to get into the upcoming event. You just click on here. First, I'm going to put that I'm interested. So, interested. Then, okay, when it's time for the event, when the event goes live, you'll be able to click on this section here. A panel will pop open on your right-hand side of the screen. If you're on a desktop, on a computer, excuse me, on your phone, it's probably just going to be in the middle of the screen, and you just click join right from the inner circle. Very easy to do. No looking for Zoom links or anything like that. You just come into the inner circle and boom. So first of all, make sure you go in and click interested in the event so that I know you're coming. All right. And that way you'll get notified via email before the event as well. Okay. So here are the different posts that I've shared. You'll definitely want to go down through here because this one yesterday was one of the benefits from being a part of the inner circle in the month of December. Remember, we did the live on Tuesday, plus I told you got access to over $100 in free crypto tools and information. One of them is the live Q&A with me tonight for our inner circle. The other one is this mind bender where I go through an analysis of what would have happened if you would have purchased the coins that we talked about on the call on Tuesday. Of course, some more information, motivation here. You can see more posts if you go down through here. Here is the replay for Tuesday night's call. So even if you're joining the inner circle after Tuesday the 17th, you'll get access to the replay. And I have goodies for you guys. Now, it's all going to be in here in the chain of information. But if you don't want to go through the chain of information, you go right to the inner circle bonuses. You click on that and it gives you access to the bonuses that you receive for the month. All right, so for this month, we have a crypto portfolio roadmap that you need to download. It has a coupon. You need to download that ASAP. And this one is the crypto budget planner. So there'll be plenty of goodies here. When you join, only $7 a month, you're going to get access to a ton of information plus goodies. I hope this was helpful. And oh, over here, let's see, you have other sections. So you have your inner circle, introductions. Go ahead and introduce yourself in there, announcements. Any major announcements that I want you to know about, you'll see that in there. What other spaces do we have in general? Oh, most importantly, questions. If it's not a Q&A day and you have a question, go ahead and put the question there and I'll get it answered for you. All right. Hope this was helpful.